Welcome to TreeBills. In this tutorial, we'll explore the item timeline feature that shows you the complete history of every transaction for an item. Let's get started. From the inventory list, tap on any item to view its details. You'll see tabs at the top: Details, Timeline, and Stock. Tap on the Timeline tab to see all transactions for this item. The timeline screen has 3 sections: quick date range filters at the top, stock summary card showing opening stock, closing stock, and net change, and the scrollable transaction list below. Use quick filters. Today for today's transactions, this month for current month, or this year for the entire year. For custom ranges, tap the start date and end date fields to select specific periods. The timeline automatically updates to show transactions for your selected range. The stock summary card shows opening stock, blue, closing stock, green, and stock change with plus or icons. This gives you a quick overview of how inventory changed during the selected period. This card is hidden for service items. Each transaction appears as a card with clear information. Green borders with plus icons show stock added. Red borders with icons show stock removed. Each card displays the transaction type: manual entry, sale invoice, purchase invoice, credit note, debit note, date and time, quantity and amount, if applicable. Important transaction types: manual entry, direct stock adjustments, sale. Invoice, items sold to customers. Purchase, invoice, items bought from suppliers. Credit note, returns from customers. Debit note, returns to suppliers. That's it. Access timeline from any items tab, use date filters to select periods, view stock summary for net changes, and review the complete transaction history. Every inventory movement is tracked for complete transparency. Start tracking your inventory history today. Download TreeBills, available on Android, iOS, and web. Thanks for watching.